favorite tree has to be the white bark pine now, especially knowing how hard it is to grow and everything it takes to produce. Oh, and it just grows in really cool areas.
My favorite tree, unfortunately, isn't one we grow, but it is the monkey puzzle tree. It is incredibly unique and very fun looking. I haven't actually got to meet one in person, but ever since I saw it, it's just so striking.
Ooh. So when I initially started working here, I said my favorite tree is large. And I think I still stand by that answer, but I've learned about so many trees in this last year that there's a few that maybe rival that. I think that actually one that I learned about recently is the white bark pine. And I think that the lore behind the white bark pine is pretty exciting. And in general, it's just kind of like a really gangly looking tree.
My favorite tree is any of the ornamental crab apples. They're got beautiful flowers, and they're just beautiful trees in general. I also am a sucker for a Siberian crab apple because I do love the fruit. It's not for everybody, but I love sour fruit. So any of those ornamental crab apple trees are great.